Hi, my name's Laura Batante. This is My Two Bits, and today I have this cute little reindeer ornament for you to give a go. So this little guy is obviously made from just some cardboard that you have lying about the house. I have cut mine down into a rectangle of 2.5 and 3.25. And that's just to make it a little bit easier for kiddos in terms of cutting the shape. But of course you can make your reindeer any shape you like. This just happens to be what I did. Then you're just going to take your scissors after you draw your little shape on there and go ahead and cut right up like that. And then this piece here that gets left over is going to be an ear. So it's super easy to do. And if it doesn't come out just perfect, that doesn't matter. That just gives it character. Alrighty, there we go. So I didn't go over materials, what's new. So for materials for this craft, obviously you're going to need the cardboard. You're going to need some glue. You can also use white glue, just the liquid stuff. A pencil to draw your shape. I've used the push pin to put the hole in. I'm using a black Sharpie and a white gel pen, and then the ruler or whatever for measuring out your squares, and some scissors. I have these big ones, but if you're using the smaller kiddo size, those work perfectly because you can stick them in here and get a good hold to put your ear in. And on that note, I'll just mention that I did cut my shapes so that the lines are going this way, just so that the ears can go in to one of those slots there. You just have to kind of wiggle a little bit of space in there with the end of your scissor. All right, so now that we have our shape cut out, we're going to draw our face on and outline it in black. So once you get your face on, and you can of course do any kind of face you want, I went in and added a little bit of detail, gave him some little whisker dots and a little highlight on the nose. You don't have to do this, and of course you could go ahead and make that a red nose if you wanted to do Rudolph. Also, you don't have to outline it in black. I just happen to like that, so that's what I did, but up to you. And then I'm just going to outline my ears, and then we will stick them on. All right, so what you want to do for the end here is you want to pinch that and make sure that when you're putting it in, you're pinching it too. So that's the only tricky part here. And I should make sure I'm sticking it in the right side. All right, so then once we get that done, we just again pinch and slide it in. And there you go. Put a little glue on there, pinch it. You can always pull it out and add more glue if you didn't feel like you got enough on there. So once you got the ears in, you'll need antlers. I've gone ahead and just basically cut my pipe cleaner into thirds. So it's up to you how much antler you want on it. And I would just go ahead and take them and basically shape them so that they are going to end up mirroring each other when I get them in, but you can do whatever you like. That's what makes it fun. And then you take that and just going to stab that in, and it may take you just a jiff of working it in there. And then once you get that in, you're going to add some glue. Pull it back out and add some glue. All right, so then the very last thing you need to do is just take a push pin or whatever you have at home that you can use and put that in there, and we're just going to wiggle that around until we get the hole big enough that we can get some thread through. And there you go. And I think they look super adorable. They're really easy to make. You can make a bunch, and they're super economical too. So you could totally do all of Santa's reindeer. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, then please go ahead and give the video a like. I would really appreciate it. Thanks very much.